Google Pixel 6 Pro front pop-ups on the Google Store landing page. Also, we have the detailed Pixel 6 Pro leaks, collaborates the Tensor chips configuration claims and reveals some camera and display specs. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So guys, as we know that Google has themselves shared some of the key details about the device. Firstly, we have seen the render images of the back of both the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro, which definitely confirms some of the key specifications like the camera bump, the camera positioning, and also the cameras which are going to be coming inside. Soon after that, we have here about the custom chipset that is going to be coming inside, which is the Tensor chipset. And then in the last week, we have seen another video which showcased the in-hand of the Google Pixel 6 series. Basically, in the video that has been shared, has been provided us what the device is going to be look alike in hand and what is going to be the color option that are going to be coming inside the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro. And now we have a new leak that is coming from the same source, the Google. Now Google today has shared a Pixel 6 Pro front side on the Google Store landing page, which definitely confirms some of the key highlights of the device when it comes to the front side. One piece of information that this high quality image shows about the speaker grill. It is so thin that you barely notice it even in this image. What we can gather from this is that the new Pixel 6 will be ditching the under display speaker. If you look at the screen itself, we see a bit of new material you design in action, and there is also a clock widget on the left side of the display that looks different from the one we saw in the recent released Android 12 Beta 5. Alongside the new images displaying the front of the Google upcoming Pixel phone, we can also find a text that reads the Pixel 6 phone. Also, we have seen the bezels around the edges are going to be pretty slim, and we have a punch hole camera cutout present on the top center of the device, which makes this device as one of those devices which are pretty much looking similar on the front side as the Samsung devices. Anyhow, the other detail that has been surfaced about the Tensor chipset, cameras, and the display specs that has been leaked. He confirms that the Pixel 6 series will be coming with 2 Cortex-X1 chipset running at 2.8 GHz, 2 middle core clocked at 2.25 GHz, and 4 little cores operating at 1.8 GHz. Anyhow, moving forward, the rest of the report largely backs up what we have heard already, but also provides some new information. The display is coming with 120 Hz of resolution, but it's not clear yet if the refresh rate changes dynamically. The phone can support both the 120 Hz refresh rate and QHD plus resolution simultaneously. The rate can go low as 10 Hz when low powered mode like always on display are activated. The battery share features appears to be present. The phone properly packs a 5000 mAh of a battery cell. Finally, we have got some information about the new camera sensor. In addition to the Tensor chipset, the new camera setup is also highlight of the forthcoming device. As per the leakster, the Pixel 6 Pro rear camera will be coming with a 50 megapixel of GN1 sensor for main unit, Sony 12 megapixel IMX386 sensor for the wide angle shooter, and a Sony 48 megapixel IMX586 sensor for the telephoto snapper, which Google has said support 4 times of optical zoom. The front camera is coming with a 12 megapixel of a sensor. New camera features include a baby mode and a motion dabbler are also on the cards. The only mystery left now is the phone price. Google has already hinted that it will be at the higher price spectrum. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new device? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.